Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is June monthly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, air sign. What are the messages for you? Aquarius, the Tower with King of Cups and the Magician. Under the deck, the Tower. Maybe for some, you were in separation with this person, or for some, you are going through something in your life right now, very hard situations. And King of Cups, but you have strong emotions towards this person. You love this person. And Magician here, maybe you are manifesting something big into your life. So for some, a new person may be entering in your life to offer their cup of love to you. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Page of Wands, Ace of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. So there was some communication between you and your person. Maybe I think it was not about past or current. I think I am getting new person. Maybe a new person entering in your life. Maybe you both have age differences. And Ace of Pentacles. I think you're more concentrating on your career in recent past. You want financial stability. You are working towards your goals. You are very, I think, Queen of Cups, you have strong emotions for your person. And you are very caring and sharing person. Then present, the Moon, Nine of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. Maybe you have options. Maybe you are confused. There, for some, maybe you have some issues with your person. Maybe they are hiding something from you, but you are totally focusing on your career only because Nine of Pentacles, you want to be independent emotionally and financially also, so you are working on yourself, especially on your abundance, Aquarius. Then future, the Chariot, Hangman and Queen of Pentacles. Again, your love life may be in very slow moving energy. You feeling stuck, you feeling confused, Aquarius. Yeah, even though you are in with this person, this is on and off connection. For some, maybe you are in no contact. I am not saying particularly no contact. If you are in relationship, there are some issues also. That's why you are focusing on your career, Queen of Pentacles. Again, everything is about money here. You more focused on your career than this relationship. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces and Cancer. Then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, Knight of Cups with Seven of Swords. See, trust issues. Definitely there are some trust issues between you and your person. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you in past. Now they're scared for rejection. And yes, miscommunication. Again, the Moon. Definitely your person may be in and out of your life. There is no commitment. Saying lies to you for some third party. Yeah, Knight of Cups, but this person have romantic feelings towards you. So let's see their current feelings, Aquarius. Again, Knight of Cups, Knight of Wands, yeah, with Queen of Pentacles. Under the deck, Four of Swords with Seven of Cups. Yeah, maybe your person in and out of your life. Right now, maybe for some you are in no contact situation, four of swords, they're healing, they're doing meditation to heal their self, but they're thinking about you a lot. If you are in separation, definitely they want to come back, they want to offer their cup of love to you. If you are not in separation, and they want to take this relationship to next level, they're thinking. These are just their thoughts and feelings. And Knight of Wands, yeah, they're very very attracted to you, Aquarius. So let's see their intentions. Cards are jumping. So let's see their intentions. Hangman with 10 of cups. I think they are also stuck. Yeah, they want this happiness, but they're stuck, they're juggling. Maybe they have issues with their family also. They're juggling between you and their family, you and their work, maybe between two persons. Definitely they're juggling. Right, your person is also very independent, financially stable. Yeah, they do love you, Ace of Cups, but there is no commitment, Aquarius. Yes, there is no commitment. They are very attracted to you, they do love you, but there is no commitment. That's why maybe you are focusing on your career. Maybe for some a new person entering in your life. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they want to give clarity and you want clarity. Queen of Swords with justice. So, Eight of Pentacles. Maybe now they want to work on this relationship, but it will take so much time because right now they're juggling and your person is a player type energy I'm getting. They don't want to take responsibilities. What I'm getting here, and you are taking your control back. Emperor card is here. So I think you also don't want to make any move, but you are feeling sad for the separation. And Nine of Wands, now you are guarded up, Aquarius. Yes. You are waiting for them, but you don't want to make any action. Mutual, the Hierophant with and Death and Knight of Swords. I think for some there is one type of ending between you and your person, but I think there is no commitment in this connection. There is no stability. One more card. Yeah, patience is the key. Maybe in future they will reach out. It will take so much time because right now they're juggling. They have no clarity, but they're very attracted to you. They do love you, but there is no commitment. What I'm getting here, to be honest with you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There is no balance in this connection. This person is sneaky, yes. For some, trust issues. Twin flames, for some you both are in twin flame journey. Soulmates, for some you both could be soulmates. And will you forgive me? I have regrets, true love. So the messages are: this person is sneaky, twin flame, soulmates, I have regrets, true love, will you forgive me? So these are the messages. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. It's time to take action. New moon in Aries. A time for healing. So for those who want to take action, this is the message for you. It's time to take action, especially when new moon in Aries, and a time for healing. So if you're going through something, maybe especially mental or getting a lot of thoughts, especially mentally you want to heal, this is the time for healing. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.